Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure IRS forms for stock sales using Robinhood, complete guide step by step clearly. To configure IRS forms for stock sales using Robinhood, first, log into your Robinhood account on the app or website. Navigate to the account icon located in the bottom right corner of the screen. Select Investing from the menu options. Scroll down and tap on Tax Documents. Locate the 2022 Tax Documents section. Click on Download next to your IRS Form 1099. Open the downloaded Form 1099 to review your stock transactions. Identify the sections related to capital gains and losses on the form. Take note of the totals for short-term and long-term capital gains. If needed, use the accompanying summary documents included with your Form 1099 for additional details. Now, gather your records of stock purchases and sales for the tax year. Ensure you have the dates, amounts, and any commission fees associated with each transaction. If you sold stocks, calculate your realized gains or losses by subtracting the purchase price from the sale price. Next, open your preferred tax software or IRS forms. Locate the section for reporting capital gains and losses. Enter the short-term capital gains figures first. Follow this by entering the long-term capital gains figures. Double-check all entries for accuracy against your Robinhood Form 1099. Proceed to complete any additional sections related to your tax return. After filling out the required forms, review your entire tax return. Ensure your IRS Form 1099 from Robinhood is included in your documentation. Finally, e-file your tax return or print and mail it according to IRS guidelines. Retain copies of your Form 1099 and your completed tax return for your records. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.